Hey there, I'm Britt.
And I'm Heather.
And this is The Beach Show, your only internet TV show all about real estate on Panama City Beach and beyond.
Stick around.
Beachy Beach.
Today we have an adorable house over in Turtle Cove, very popular neighborhood on the west end of Panama City Beach. 4 bedrooms.
Yes, right at the entry of Wild Heron. We love that subdivision. And this one with 4 bedroom, 3 bath, plenty of space inside. It is perfectly coastal, just like you would expect.
Yeah, I love the kitchen. Plenty of room in the kitchen. Got a nice big island. And off the back of the kitchen is a cute little screen-in porch. It's got a cute little front porch. And I love Turtle Cove too because the amenities are fabulous. Gorgeous pool overlooking Lake Powell.
Absolutely.
Tennis courts if you play tennis. A nice clubhouse and a fitness center. They've really got like $1 million amenities, but without that price tag.
Exactly. Yeah, this one's priced perfectly, especially for all the spaciousness that it provides.
If you are looking for a great deal in the beautiful community of Turtle Cove, we'd love to show you this property. It's under $500,000. Give us a call. We'd love to show it to you.
So for more information, look below in the description. You can find the MLS listing. It'll get you all the details.
And please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, thebeachshow.com. Ring that bell. Don't miss out on any future deals like this one.